Hello, you guys. My name is Shantae, and today I have 3 new remote work from home jobs that I have to share with you today. If you haven't done so yet, please like, share, subscribe. Follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. I would greatly appreciate it. I also have a Facebook group. It is WFH Mom Squad. And also, I have a kit. It's a remote work from home job kit that I have that includes all resources that you need in order to be successful with finding a remote work from home job. That kit can actually be found at momsquad8.gumroad.com / all lowercase letters L / RAOZD. All right, but let's go ahead on and get into it. All right, so the first remote work from home job that I have to share with you today is going to be with Conduit. Conduit is looking for a benefits call center representative. Now, with this position, the pay rate is $18 an hour. The schedule is going to be Monday through Friday, 10:15 to 7 p.m. Requirements: they want you to have strong verbal and written communication skills, ability to navigate across multiple systems, tools simultaneously, attention to detail, problem solving, critical thinking skills, along with completing a background check, must pass an internet test speed or speed test, must have the ability to connect with an Ethernet cable or modem, and that's pretty much it. And I believe Conduit provides the computer for you. You just have to provide the internet service. All right, so the second remote work from home job that I have to share is with Therapy Notes. Therapy Notes is looking for a customer support representative. Now, with this position, they want you to have 2 or more years experience working in a customer service role, 2 or more years experience working remotely, experience working in a high volume call center or phone support role is a plus. Experience with multi-channel customer support, help desk software is a plus. Excellent computer and technical problem solving skills required. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, effectively exchange information via telephone, email, and instant messaging. Strong competence and comfortable listening and responding to customers' needs and concerns, ability to exercise composure when operating under stressful situations, excellent time management skills, team player, and the salary is going to be $50,000 annually. Now, they do have here their flexible work hours required, including limited nights and weekends too. All right, so the next remote work from home job, the next one that I'm going to share with you is Staples. So Staples is looking for a payroll representative. So those of you that's looking for something in human resources, here you go. The requirements for this one is going to be a high school diploma or GED, 3 or more years experience in payroll processing and administration, proficiency in payroll software and Microsoft Office Suite, strong working knowledge of federal and state payroll regulations, proven availability to manage a large and complex caseload, and demonstrate attention to detail. So these are pretty easy requirements for this particular position. I've seen harder for human resources. So if you have any experience, I would suggest to apply. The pay is anywhere from $17.01 to $25.04 an hour. All right, so these are the remote work from home jobs I'm sharing today. Please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like that, like this, because it really does help. Facebook group, WFH Mom Squad, and check out my remote job application kit on Gumroad. It is at momsquad, 8.gumroad.com / L / RAOZD. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Be blessed.